swear these guys got more time to sit around than anybody I know. Hey, guys, I thought we were here to shoot a video. What's up?
Y'all, silent video.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Power Range.
I'm TK.
I'm Dusty.
My little buddy Dusty here. I like his hair today.
I let it grow.
Yeah. Well, today we have another fun one for you. We have Uncle Bill down here from American Tactical and Pawn.
If you need some guns and ammo,
they'll take great care of you. Anything at all. Great guys. Shelby, North Carolina.
just give him a hug and give him a little nipple twist and
yeah,
get anything you want.
Everybody knows when Uncle Bill comes to town, he brings great things with him. Very special stuff.
Special. Crayons?
Well, no, I'm not hungry, so no, not crayons.
Okay.
But yeah, we have some great targets down range, and today we're gonna get straight into the full auto. Give you guys a show. What do you think?
I think before we shoot anything down there, we're gonna test iPhone. See how many rounds of
That's my iPhone.
Boy, no, we're gonna shoot it.
We ain't shooting nothing.
Can you get it?
No.
You can't get it.
I can't get it. All right, let's get
to it.
Let's get to the shooting.
All right, so we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to shoot the dishwasher. But a little twist on it. Whoever wins rock, paper, scissors gets to choose their weapon and choose the other guy's weapon.
Okay.
Fair?
I'm fine with that.
All right. Let's get it on.
You ready, Biggin? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Crap.
1-0.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh my God. That's 2 out of 3 right there.
All right, Dusty. Did I win?
Yeah, you won. What you picking?
I get to go first, shooting the dishwasher, fully automatic, AR, Smith & Wesson. Here, pro on?
Here, pro on, glasses on.
Oh, hang on a minute,
Oh, you dropping, oh, excuse me.
Clear.
I mean, just destroyed. Stepping on cans, destroyed.
Since I lost the rock, paper, scissors, now it's my turn to have some fun. Yeah, buddy. I got a Glock 44, 22, semi-automatic. Yeah, I lost rock, paper, scissors, but I still get to shoot target, so. Not as much fun as Dusty's. Clear. Still fun, but nowhere near as much fun as that. All right, next we're gonna hit the, we turn the dishwasher around and we're hitting it in the front now. We're gonna hit next with the AR-15 full auto C MMG 9mm. Bill brought down, full metal jacket, nothing special, nothing fancy. Guns fancy.
I want the full effect, baby. I want the full effect.
All right. Everybody good?
Yep.
All right, fire in the hizzle. Clear.
Was that the full effect, though?
That was the full effect.
Okay, thank you. That's...
You got to show the soap on top. The dishwasher needs soap, even though that's not for the dishwasher.
Yeah. I think you should have put a smiley face on there.
Hey, we still can. We still got plenty of room to shoot right there. We can hit the TV. Oh, we still got plenty. What you got there, KJ?
I got a CMMG full automatic 9mm. And I'm gonna let it loose.
All right.
And I got some 9mm, excuse me, full metal jacket.
Other side. Yep.
Oh, that's not right, is it?
Right here. Yeah, hit it.
My bad. I'm still a rookie.
That's all right.
Going hot. Fire the hole. Clear.
That's a little better than last time.
Hold yourself. Range is still hot.
Hey, it's all well and good, but you missed a jug.
Yeah,
Oh, I didn't aim for the jug.
sure you didn't.
I didn't. Give me one of them plastic wraps.
Somebody else missed a jug.
Wasn't even aiming for the freaking jug,
Sure.
but I am now.
All right, next we're going to hit the, we have a flat screen TV downrange. I want to hit it 2 rounds, semi-automatic out of CMG with the full auto jacket. Then I'm going to try to make a little smiley face, full auto, and just see what happens. Right now I am on semi-automatic. Everybody good?
Yep.
Let's see where we are. There's one eye. He's kind of cockeyed.
Is that a Quasimodo?
I got 2 eyeballs right there. I'm gonna try to make a smile for him. We'll see. See how good this goes. This time's full auto. Oh my God!
What the heck is that? Is that? Was you trying to do?
It's abstract art.
Let me see if I can fix that.
All right, Dusty, go for it.
So, Dusty, what are you attempting to do? You're supposed to make the face, right?
I don't. He was supposed to make a smile, and I was going to do
It's
the
abstract.
circle. I'm just going to try to connect the dots.
I believe in you, Dusty.
Yeah, let's connect these dots. That's not good enough. Hang on a minute. Oh yeah.
If I find out that this TV worked and y'all just shot it up, I'm gonna be upset.
We're going to shoot the flat screen real quick. Dusty's going to hit it suppressed 22. I'm 9mm going to shoot them at the same time.
22 long rifle, Glock 44.
I got the Glock 19X 9mm full metal jacket. All right. Are you going to try some Hitman stuff over there, huh? Fancy shooting.
I think you kind of caught on towards the end there.
Clear.
We're clear.
I'm gonna hit the TV one more time, one more again, with a full auto AR-15, nothing special, full metal jacket, and these are actually 223 rounds. All right, going live. You good, KJ? Mm-hmm. All right. Good.
Good.
Clear.
How'd you like that?
I don't think the TV is gonna get any good channels anymore.
It smells like melted plastic.
Bill's gonna finish it off with the 12 gauge, but we're gonna see which one makes a bigger hole, the 22 suppressed or the 12 gauge. We already know this, but okay.
All right, ladies first.
Clear? I think I did pretty good.
I like that.
There's still not enough holes in the TV.
It's not. Dang.
There's still room on the TV. We can hit it with some other stuff. So let's hit it with some other stuff real quick.
That's crazy.
All right, real quick. All four is gonna hit this TV because it's a little stronger than we thought. We got a full auto. KJ's got the full auto C MMG 9mm. I got a 5.56 AR.
Lot 20.
AK.
Oh, I said AR. Yeah, AK. I'm an idiot. What do you got, Bill?
SIG 226 MK25.
Lot 20, 10 millimeter.
All right, let's get it. All right. Okay. 1, 2, get the hell. I'm clear. Clear. All right.
This thing is still standing. Still standing.
This is one of the toughest TVs I've ever seen. So we're gonna try to put it down.
There we go.
Got him.
We're gonna shoot this freezer lid. Got a surprise behind it. First round we're gonna use is a non-lethal round. It's got that little spongy thing in it. I doubt it penetrates. Second one's gonna be some bird shot. Then we got some buckshot. And then the final two are just slugs. All right, first round's that non-lethal round. Fire in the hole. That non-lethal round put a dent, and it's right here. KJ, get it? I don't want to be flanking with it. It's right there. That put a dent. Wow. All right, let's go hot again. This is bird shot. Oh, that was a heartbreaker.
The next one that goes through, I guarantee is gonna
Shatter.
yeah. The next one that goes to is definitely gonna do some damage.
Next one is buckshot. All right, this is 2 rounds of slugs. Get my beard out of the way. TK ain't gotta worry about that.
Just dump it. Just dump it. Might as well.
He might get mad because I shot the bucket, but it's time to kick the bucket. Clear. Dang, I went straight through. TK, I got a hole for you.
Well, I hope y'all had a good day. We had a great day here on the range. Thank y'all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It'd mean the world to us if y'all subscribe. It helps us out a lot. And if y'all could check out our Instagram page. And what do you think? You had a good time today?
Man, that TV was a little frustrating.
It was. That thing was strong, man. If it was one of them old TVs, it would have busted out. Just whatever. Them new TVs, man, they'll stay together. That's a newer flat screen TV. And I was actually surprised with it. But
This is TK. He's gone. I'm Dusty. I'm out.
Ain't nobody going nowhere because ain't nobody got pied in the face yet. So I think you're jumping the
I'm
gun.
TK.
No.
I'm gone.
Well, we're jumping the gun because somebody's getting pied. And
Yeah.
We got to talk about it first.
we gotta well. I like the way TK shot this week. He had a hard time last week shooting.
Rough time last time.
He had a rough day, and I like the way he composed himself today. But you know, I think he got a little hot in the pants, so I think he needs to be the one that gets cooled off.
Well, Dusty shot the dishwasher, completely missed the jug.
Oh, he did miss the jug.
So that's a failure to engage.
He did miss the jug.
missed the
I
jug.
forgot about that.
Aiming for the judge.
So I think we're going to rock, paper, scissors to see who gets the pie.
I like that.
Me and him rock, paper, scissors.
Absolutely.
Wait a minute.
Absolutely.
I'm down for it.
No, let's do a third one in here. Come on, KJ.
You can't do threes.
Yeah, let's do rock, paper,
Oh,
scissors.
the cameraman get the pie?
Yeah, come on. He shot today, too. Let's go.
You know what? I'll take it.
It's up to
Yeah.
KJ.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, there.
I don't know. Let's go. Me and you.
I'm out.
I'll take it. You ready? Yes!
Dusty!
It's like I get pied every time. Hey, does that mean I get to pick who gets pied?
Hey,
No.
no. It was fair
Since-
at least.
Since
Kind of fair.
KJ beat you, I think he gets to pie you.
Hey, don't.
Oh, my God.
That was fair. Kind of. I love you, Tree.
I know you.
I'm gonna run the guns. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. That gun me. God almighty.
KJ's too fast.
There you go.
I can't chase KJ.
And I'm over here trying to hide behind the guns. All right, y'all. TK gone.
Dusty out.